subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG has launched its new affordable phone under K series in the US called LG K31. Talking about the specifications, the LG K31 supports a 5.7-inch HD plus full vision display under the thick bezels with 18.9:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries 5 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. At the back, the phone comes with horizontally aligned dual camera setup at the top center including LED flash. The dual ray camera includes a 13 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120-degree field of view. Under the hood, the LG K31 is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with single 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 32GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on LG UX 9.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by 3000 mAh battery that is claimed to offer up to 11 hours of talk time. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 147.8 by 71.1 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 146 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG K31 has been priced in the US at $149.99, and it is now available for purchase in the country in silver color option. So, what do you guys think of this LG K31 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.